How to upload audio into Roblox. Now, this process or method is going to be very straightforward and easy to follow. All you have to do at first is open up your Roblox client or through the Roblox web version. Log in into your Roblox official account, and then from here, you should be able to see four options above: Home, Charts, Marketplace, and Create. What you want to do is to click on Create, and then you will be redirected to Creator Hub. From here, on the left side, just simply click on Creations and then go into Development Items and then switch it to Audio. Now, for you to successfully upload the audio preference that you want, make sure that you comply for this specific format. So it has to be either MP3, OGG, .flac, and then a WAV files, and it's not going to be exceeding up to 20 megabytes. Simply click on Upload Asset and look for your audio file, and you're done. And that is how you upload audio in Roblox.